Hello friends! If you're watching this video, then it's probably safe to assume that you're a creative of some sort. Whether you're a musician, or an illustrator, or a photographer, or a dancer, or any type of artist, you might be potentially looking for a way to start monetizing your work. Well, you're in luck, because I have 5 tips and tricks to marketing yourself as a professional artist or creator. Number 1, create branding for yourself that doesn't put you in a box. Your branding can make or break you as a professional. The name of your brand should accurately represent what you do as an artist, and it should also be appealing to your target audience while also being unique to you. Now, I know that that's a lot of marks to hit, but that's why the process of creating your branding may feel like the hardest part of it all, but that's okay because it is so vital, and good things take time. Number 2, connect with other artists and creatives in your area. Connecting and collaborating with other artists in your area is a great way to network, get your name out there, and build meaningful relationships that can help you grow not only as a professional artist, but as a human overall. And these don't have to be artists that do the same type of art as you. The great thing about art is that it is so interconnected, and people who may have never thought they would meet before can connect and create something beautiful from that connection. A potential way to go about this would to be attend local events like photo meets, concerts, or any kind of events where you think artists may be lurking, because trust me, there's a lot of them. Number 3, invest in high quality photo or video content that accurately showcases your talents and your abilities. If you're a photographer or a videographer, you definitely have a one-up on this step, but no matter what kind of artist you are, you will 100% be taken more seriously if you have high-quality content that showcases what you have to offer as a professional artist. And not only do you need the content, but you also need to promote it through the correct channels and know what the correct channels are. Number 4, keep your personal and your business accounts separate. Now, take this tip with a grain of salt because it may not be as applicable to some people as it is to others. But when it comes to social media, and you're somebody who uses social media for business, it is your best bet to keep your personal and business accounts separate. There are a few reasons why this is helpful, but first and foremost, it prevents flooding your customers and clients with your personal posts and statuses. You might have clients that want to stay connected with your business, but they also may not be as interested in photos from your family vacation or posts about your political views. This keeps your social media pages looking more professional and business oriented. And finally, number 5, don't get discouraged when dealing with rejection. I know that this is much easier said than done, but rejection is part of being an artist, especially if you're trying to sell your work and or your services. Your art will never be everybody's cup of tea, and that's okay. A way that you can strategically reduce the amount of rejection that you will receive is to do detailed market analysis and strategic planning for your business, which will help you have a clear picture of who your target audience or your main customers are. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome.